Hi everyone, Simon Miglic here. Today I'm going to share with you exactly how to make money with ClickBank. I'm going to reveal to you exactly how I made $1,912 in the past 2 days on ClickBank by promoting other people's products. So in this video we are going to dive deeper into ClickBank affiliate marketing, and I'm going to reveal to you exactly what I'm doing myself right now on ClickBank to earn big affiliate commissions. We are having days where I'm earning $500 per day, $1,000 per day. There are days also that I have made $3,000 in one single day. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my campaign that I have basically I was just running this campaign for the past 2 days now, and I have made $1,912. So uh, let me open up here ClickBank, and as you can see here on ClickBank, I have made in the past 2 days $1,912 in affiliate commissions selling other people's products. And if I open up here my Gmail account, you can see that I received a payment from ClickBank for $7,011. So I'm going to jump really quickly back here. So let me go back, and I'll show you also that I'm receiving a lot more payments here from ClickBank. So another one here, you can see another payment from ClickBank for $831. This is a little bit smaller one. Another one here, $3,186, and so on. So those are all weekly commissions that I'm earning by promoting ClickBank products, and also I'm promoting a lot of other products which I would like to share with you exactly what I'm doing. So the strategy I'm going to reveal to you today works for any affiliate network, no matter what product you're promoting, but especially this strategy works really well with high paying affiliate offers, and this is exactly what I'm doing to earn big commissions and earn $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 in one single month. And this is exactly what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to show you the fastest way really to go from zero to first $10,000 on ClickBank as an affiliate, and the fastest way to do that is number one, to promote high paying affiliate offers. The mistake that I see so many affiliates, beginners doing when they start on ClickBank is they're promoting cheap affiliate products. And if you want to start, let's say you want to earn $5,000 in the next 30 days. To earn $5,000, if you're selling $50 affiliate offer, you need 100 sales to earn $5,000. But if you're earning $500 commissions or more, you need only 10 sales to earn $5,000. If you're earning $500 commissions, that's logical, and this is what you will expect. But the mistake that I see so many people doing is promoting cheap products. So guys, look, number one, select high paying affiliate offer. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what kind of products I'm promoting myself on ClickBank right now to earn big affiliate commissions. And then I'm going to share with you my secret traffic source of buyers, of people that are already looking to buy products that I'm promoting. So let's take a look, okay? So let's go really quickly here to ClickBank. I'm going to show you one of the highest converting and highest paying offers on ClickBank. So I really highly recommend you promote this affiliate product yourself also, because this offer is currently paying big commissions. So that means that you can earn big commissions by promoting this offer. So if you go here to Marketplace on ClickBank, here under Find Products, I'm going to search for Super Affiliate System. So Super Affiliate System is currently paying all the way up to $656 in affiliate commissions per each sale. So that means that you can have only 2 sales per week and you can earn $1,400, okay? So to start promoting this affiliate offer, what you have to do is just click here on this blue promote button, and you will have to create your unique affiliate link. This is pretty much what you have to do to get an affiliate link. It's pretty simple. So here you will select, first step is to select your account nickname. This is super important. You have to enter your correct right username or nickname from ClickBank that you have, because this way you will get sales tracked to you. Tracking ID is optional, that's not necessary, so just skip this step. Scroll down, and here under select landing page, you will just select default landing page. You scroll down here and you are going to basically click here on, so let me move this up here. Click here on generate hop links, and then we are going to scroll down and just copy this affiliate link. So this is your unique affiliate link that you're going to be promoting. and drive traffic to this link. So let me scroll down again. Okay, so now that we have copied that affiliate link, so okay, 1 second, guys. I'm having some issues here. I cannot see this one. Okay, so click here on the right next to this affiliate link. We copy this affiliate link first. Okay, just copy this link. And then step number 2 is for us to get high quality buyer traffic, because we can have the highest paying offer, the highest converting offer, but if our traffic source is low quality, if it's, nobody will buy our product, that means you will get no commissions. And currently at this moment of me recording this video, I have the best traffic source, that I'm using myself, that I would like to share with you. This traffic source is called Clicks to Commissions. This is one of the highest converting traffic sources when it comes to promoting ClickBank products. And I'm going to share with you this traffic source today. So below the video, you're going to see the link to this secret traffic source of buyers I'm using right now to earn big commissions. So if you click the link below the video, you're going to see this page, Clicks to Commissions. Once you're on this page, all you have to do is watch first this short introduction video. So first you watch this short video by myself that I have recorded, where I explain exactly what is this traffic source and how this traffic source is working. Then you can see here my test campaign. Here you can see my results, how much money I'm earning by using this traffic source of buyers. And then if you scroll down also, you will see my clients' results, people that are using this traffic source and working with me. And if you scroll all the way down, here you will see order your buyer traffic now. So in this form, you will select how many buyers clicks do you want. So at the moment of recording this video, we have 4 packages, starting with 250 buyers clicks all the way up to 1000 buyers clicks. So it is vitally important, super important for you to go after minimum 250 buyers clicks, because less than that is just not enough for the products that we are promoting. So we are earning big commissions. That means that we need more clicks. So the price of 250 buyers clicks is $500, and it's really super cheap. This is not really expensive, because most people have the mindset of cheap, but cheap is not converting necessarily, So of course there is also no guarantee, like how many sales. I cannot guarantee and say how many sales will you get, but with just one sale you will earn your money back. So this is exactly what most of our students and clients are doing to earn money. So here you will select how many buyers clicks do you want to purchase. Let's say you want to start with 250 buyers clicks. You click here. Here you enter your information, first name, last name, your email, and your affiliate link. So just go to ClickBank. You copy your affiliate link that we have created in the last step. You paste that link in here. Click here, pay with PayPal or PayPal credit. And if you want to pay with any other payment method, you can contact me personally. Here on this page, you can see my personal email, my WhatsApp number. Contact me and we can talk about other payment methods and also bonus clicks if you are serious and would like to purchase some clicks. Okay, we will give you some bonus clicks also. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, guys, please click the subscribe button below the video, and also you can check me out on Facebook. Click the link somewhere below the video in the description. Here we have a student, a person, a client that just bought 250 buyers clicks. This woman made $1,500. She already received payment from ClickBank. We have a lot of people that are making money here, students, clients, and we are literally, helping a lot of people make a lot of money with ClickBank, affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, and we have an amazing time working with different kind of people, So if you're brand new, guys, again, click that subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions anytime about the traffic source of buyers, about coaching, affiliate marketing coaching, and working with me personally, just feel free to contact me personally through email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. All the informations are below the video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video, where we are going to be talking more about affiliate marketing, ClickBank, and what is working right now when it comes to promoting other people's products. So affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money right now, and I would literally recommend to you guys to try it out. Try ClickBank. ClickBank is the easiest way to get started. You can create free account, you can start promoting other people's products, but the most important part is, if you want to be successful, number 1, find high paying affiliate offer like the one I have shared with you and shown you in this video, and number 1, use high quality traffic source of buyers, of people that are already looking to buy the products, that we want to promote. So this is what I'm doing. This gives me, affiliate marketing changed my life, it gave me, a lot of time to travel, gives you opportunity, choices, and things that you have never imagined and have done. You can give and provide things for your family, and this is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm sharing with you what I'm literally doing to make money with affiliate marketing. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.